Chair pose or Utkatasana is a powerful standing yoga asana that requires balance, stability, and strength. The arms extended upward alongside the ears, while the knees bent as if sitting on a chair. Begin in mountain pose with your big toes touching. Inhale, raise your arms towards the sky to lengthen the sides of your body. When you exhale, bend your knees and drop the hip to the back. At a comfortable level, inhale, lean the head back, looking towards your hands. Draw your shoulder blades down and your navel in. Do not collapse into the lower back. Lift your chest, lifting through your heart. The feet stay firmly into the mat with the big toes pressing down. To intensify on this chair pose, press your inner thighs together while remaining the knees behind of the toes. The palms can stay together or away so long as the elbows can be fully extended, and maintaining both sides of the body equal length. Breathe as you hold the pose. Inhale, head back to neutral. Straighten the knees, stand up. Exhale, hands lower down the side of your body back to Tadasana. The arms can be raised up from the front or from the sides. For beginners or with tight shoulders, raising arms from the side will be much easier. From the front view, inhale, raise your arms to the sky. Exhale, bend your knees and push your hip to the back. Keep your knees and feet together, hands together, look towards your hands. Inhale, look to the front, straighten the knees, arms back to the side of the body, back to Tadasana. Beginners and with tight hips, keep the feet as wide as your hip width distance. Inhale, place your hands on the hips. Exhale, bend your knees, drop the hip to the back. Hips and chest facing forward, knees facing forward, in line with the second and third toe. Once the legs are steady, raise your arms to the front at shoulder level. Beginners, keep the arms at shoulder level and if having tight shoulders. Exhale, place your hands on the hips. Inhale, straighten the knees back to standing. Exhale, hands aside back to Tadasana, feet together.